and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've probably just left a review in my previous video, or 2 or 3. Did a little review on my LED strobe that we have for possibly coming in as a regulation next year, but that's to be confirmed. As I'm here, let's go for a little fly over the pond. Sometimes there's swans in here nesting, but there's no swans at the moment. Whether they've come and gone, I don't know. I'm not sure when swan nesting season is. I think it goes about now, or if not, it's too late. They've gone. I do believe you get eels and fish in this little pond, believe it or not, but we're not too far from the sea. We're just across from Chidham Point, and Chidham Point, I believe, is over there. There we go. If I go up higher, you'll be able to see Chidham Point. Over there. And to get your bearings, if you wish to get your bearings, you turn more this way, we'll see towards Chichester. What's that? Oh. Something's on fire over there, isn't it? Oh, hopefully it's nothing too serious. So yeah, that's where we are. So Chichester's over there, and we'll turn back to ourselves. So this is me just going in full control. It's not any AI functions. I did try to use AI functions on the small island there in the middle, but it wasn't having it, so I couldn't track it. So AI, you didn't do your job this time. Anyway, sometimes it's a bit lazy, isn't it? Sometimes it's better to actually take control and fly ourselves. So that's me flying right around. There's no AI involved here, and just going around the small pond. So I'm going to put the camera down, bring it forwards so you can see downwards on the pond. Yeah, and this I was speaking to somebody last year when I was near this pond, and they were telling me that their husband took a picture at the right moment, at the right time, as a cormorant flew into the water and grabbed a fish and flew out. So if I could have got something like that on the on drone, that would have been pretty nifty, wouldn't it? That'd been very good to watch. But I have seen a cormorant fly into the water on one of my previous videos, and I'll try and remember to put a link into that one. But no, that's where we are. We've flown over there before. We've flown right over there before. Right over that corner there. And I've flown in that corner there, but I haven't actually published that video. It's more to do traffic testing. Someone asked me about how good is it to sort of monitor traffic, so I did a little test, but I never actually posted it. So maybe I'll go back sometime this year and do a little test. But yeah, so I've done both corners of those. Didn't see much wildlife, swans, some ducks, quite a lot. Yeah, and coming up is bosom. You can see bosom. Ah, there's that smoke. No idea what that is. I'm zoomed as much as I can. I can't really go much further forward anyway, but I have to do a little search. What's on fire around the Chichester area? Wow, hopefully it's just farmers' fields and they're just burning something. So one last photo shoot of full pano. And then I'll just fly the drone back around the pond and I'll land Dora safely, and we'll upload this video at some point. So if you have liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment. I enjoyed reading your comments and I do reply back to you. So as always, thanks for watching today. Lorenzo.